Why does your scanner show the P2770 engine code? What does it mean? P2770 is a diagnostic trouble code for torque converter clutch circuit high. This engine code indicates that the problem with the electrical circuit controlling the torque converter clutch, specifically that the voltage is higher than expected. This can lead to various issues, including improper shifting and a check engine light. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: TCC solenoid issues, torque converter issues, fluid-related problems. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota vehicles like the Sienna and Camry. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.